Hello and welcome to Melbourne West Tutoring. My name is Aaron Unriks. In this video, we'll have a quick look at how to factorize a quadratic polynomial.
Example, we'll use the polynomial s squared minus 5s minus 24. A quadratic polynomial has three terms. The terms are written in descending order with respect to the power of the variable. In this example, s2 is our leading term, since the power of s is 2, s squared. Negative 5s is our second term, since the power of s is 1. And negative 24 is our third term, since it is simply a coefficient. The power of s is 0. Factorizing a quadratic polynomial, like the one in this question, yields a result that looks like this: s plus a times s plus b. Multiplying s plus a by s plus b would give us our original polynomial. To figure out what a and b are, we create two equations using the coefficients of the second and third terms. We need to solve these equations to figure out a and b. A and b are two numbers whose sum is negative 5, the coefficient of the second term, and a and b are two numbers whose product is negative 24, the coefficient of the third term. The fact that we're dealing with two negative numbers, negative 5 and negative 24, gives us two clues about a and b. These are that one of them is a positive number and one of them is a negative number. The second clue is that the negative number is bigger than the positive number. Let's have a as our larger negative number and b as our smaller positive number. The two factor combinations that multiply to give us negative 24, always making sure that we choose the larger factor to be negative. A and b will be one of these pairs. Negative 24 equals to negative 24 times 1. This pair doesn't work out, since negative 24 plus 1 is negative 23, and it's not negative 5. Negative 24 equals to negative 12 times 2. This pair doesn't work out either. Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10, and it's not negative 5. Negative 24 equals to negative 8 times 3. This pair does work out. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5, and we already know that negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. So now we have a as negative 8 and b as 3. Finally, we can plug these back, and this gives us our final answer: s minus 8 times s plus 3.
If you'd like to see a video on a question you have, or you'd like to find out more about our sessions, please contact us by email.